Yo, azangaphunywa kumlakala. Engamana fika nomuntu lo. Eish. Sumela ngirecording i-hit. Awalela i-project le. Delete. I think I'll record it fast. Eish. Ngifaka kuyiphi vele mlakala. Let's try number 5 and 6. I think la mlakala la uzofitha kule. Ngoba amapiano angicabanga ukuthi uzofitha. Nevoice yakhe uyide kanjani. But before that aze ngalamba ne ngizwile bathi ngesitolo ngapha esokudla kasi delight. I think bamba ikoda nje A1 ngirelax. But before that iphi manje? No. Thingambe ngishaya half body ngichange shine fastina la enyaweni bangaboni ngishayine kancane bese ngiyabangena one time.
Gotta reach my goals till I'm at the top and I hit can't go. I've been getting all experience as a minor, digging that gold to shine for the summer.